Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and start up my Google Cloud platform. As you can see, I am currently here in my Google Cloud platform home, and I'm gonna go ahead and just go to my compute engine and my virtual machine instances, and I can see here that these are my nodes. This is my master node, this is my worker node, and this is my other worker node. And I'm just going to turn them all on. They were currently off or stopped because I didn't really need them while they were while I was gone. But now I'm back, and so I need them on. And I'm just going to wait for this. So yeah, let's give it a second. Once it turns on, I'm going to go ahead and load my security shell. This is basically um, where I'm going to be able to program in Linux. So this is it. I'm going to go ahead and open in browser window, and this is what pops up. Let's give it a minute. And I think I'm going to actually make this window much bigger, just so what I'm doing can be really, really seen. Let's give it a second. It's taking some time, and that's okay. Oh, let's see. That's never happened before, but make sure everything's good. Okay, that took a while. I am so sorry, but it is finally loaded. And so I'm just going to go ahead and click clear. I always do this just so I can have more room and just more relevant information on my particular command line. So the first thing I'm actually going to do is I'm going to go ahead and check to make sure that all my APIs and process servers are running correctly. And so to do that, I'm going to type in this particular command line. This is in Linux. So this is the command line that I'm using. And I'm going to go ahead and press enter. And as you can see, it gives me all the process servers that are running. I can see that I have Hive right over here. I have another Hive, Yarn, MapReduce, HDFS is running properly, another HDFS, Yarn again, Root, and Spark. Those are all everything that is running. So I am good to go. I'm going to go ahead and press enter again. And down here, I'm going to go ahead and verify that that a directory has been created with my user so that I can readily access any data within my file. So first, I'm going to go ahead and list the files that I have under my username. So that's HDFS, DFS, LS /user. And I can see these are all my files I have anonymous, HBase, HDFS, Hive, MapReduce. There's me, my directory. Pig, Spark, Yarn, and Zookeeper. So from here, I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that there is there is a directory within mine, and I can see that there is. But what I need to do is I need to go ahead and create a new directory in my file that includes the sales records data. This is what I kind of want to analyze for the company. So to check and make sure that that is there, I want to go ahead and click HDFS, DFS. Great, so it looks like I do have a data file there. And within that data file, I actually already did this. I already went ahead and created a directory called sales records. And I want to see and make sure that I have that directory inside my data file. because that's very important when it comes to the next stages where I have to go ahead and import a data set into this particular server. So I'm just going to go ahead and check. I've already done this. Let me just go ahead and guarantee that everything is good. Before I do that, let me actually get myself more room. So HDFS, DFS, ls/user. Okay, perfect. So as you can see in my data file, I do already have a new directory called sales records. And from then on, I can go ahead and move on. So the next thing I want to do is I want to go ahead and just click or just check out my current directory, which is my data directory. I want to check that one out. I want to be in that particular file. And the reason I do that is because I kind of want to go ahead and basically copy whatever data set that I have already in my console or my Google platform. I want to transfer it onto this server so I can go ahead and access it and use it to draw insights and analyze it for the company. And so there's actually a very interesting command line for this one. I actually already did it, like I said. So what I'm going to do, actually, I'm going to pause and I'm going to show you exactly what I had done.